Welcome back to Downgrid Survival. I'm Devin, and today we are talking about the RTS Tactical Advanced Sleek 2.0 plate carrier. I'd like to thank RTS Tactical for sending us this plate carrier to do a review. So let's get into it. Okay, my first impressions. I'm liking what I see. The shoulder straps, right offhand, are like the first thing I notice, and they're nice and thick with extra padding, and adjustability looks really good. This should make carrying the plates more comfortable. The adjustability will allow for a better fit for most people as well. The buckles here look like a thicker plastic. I don't believe they're nylon, but nothing about them makes me question the durability. Also, I do like that they included an American flag patch. I think it adds a nice touch when a tactical company does little things like this. The next thing I notice is the back liner. The inside liner here is a bit different than other plate carriers. The holes are much bigger, and I would assume that allows for much better breathability in warm climates. It's going to allow that air to flow better between the plate carrier and your body. Next is that there's a tag here that says Cordura fabric, which I'm happy to see. This plate carrier is also water repellent as well, so that's extremely helpful. The Velcro closures are strong, so there's no concern about them loosening up. Now the mag carriers here are universal because it's made from elastic. The elasticity is good. I don't see any durability issues. There are 4 pockets for magazines. As you can see here, one of the pockets has inner pockets to hold handgun magazines. So it looks like you could carry 4 rifle magazines or 2 rifle magazines and 4 handgun magazines. Now this plate carrier does not come with the plates. They are sold separately. But we have RTS level 4 ceramic plates from another carrier, so we'll use those to see how they fit. Now you'll notice these plates slide in with a very tight fit. The side note on these plates is that this plate carrier only fits the 10 by 12 plates. It will not allow for the 11 by 14 plate option. A few things I notice, this flap is only Velcro, and unlike the other carrier from RTS, it does not have the snaps, which I think just adds a little security for the plate. However, I don't think there will be a problem with this or any plate falling out. But a nice feature that is included are these pull tabs to help open the pocket to allow you to slide your plates in. Alright, now let's try it on. Alright, once adjusted for you, it fits nice and snug. We've taken some time to adjust this for me. And if you've never adjusted a plate carrier before, it can take a few minutes as well. You might need some assistance. Now, just for reference, I'm 5'7", 135 pounds. And one thing that I particularly don't care for after adjusting this is adjust this part, this back plate, a little bit higher to give me a little bit more coverage up top. This plate carrier is for covert, gray man, throw on a jacket. This plate carrier has been designed for this, and I think overall is perfect for this mindset. Now, getting the magazines in the pockets is a little tricky, trying to reach all the way back here on this side to put these particular magazines in. Imagine this is going to be even more of a challenge for those of you who have a little bit more muscle mass than I do, but remember the point is to limit bulk, which they did by not allowing you to add a spot on the front for the 3 additional mags. Also, I'm sure you noticed there is no molly on this plate carrier either, which I can understand why, but somewhere to attach would have been a nice feature. I do think this plate carrier is a great option for you to throw under the back seat of your vehicle in case you get into a situation. You can have the added protection and still stay covert if needed, or worst case scenario, you have a plate carrier to get you to your secondary location. Now off camera, we ran some dry drills with our defense tools. And what I've noticed is that the shoulder strap seems a little bit wide, but the wider the strap, the more comfortable it carries the weight. With the thickness here behind the Velcro closure, the stock placement of your defensive tool will be right on the shoulder strap here. It may take a little practice getting used to it, but we should always train like we fight. So whenever possible, you should practice and train with this carrier should you decide to buy one. Now remember, it was designed to be sleek, to make it easier to conceal, so let's throw on a jacket over the top and see how it looks. Alright, so as you can see, this plate carrier hides extremely well under just a simple rain jacket. I'll give you a full tour. I still have everything that I need with me. I have all the magazines here on my side that are tucked away that honestly, even with my arms up over my head, are concealed really well. Again, I think this plate carrier has really hit the mark as far as what they intended it to do and the purpose behind it. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know by smashing the like button. Also, if you're interested in this RTS Tactical plate carrier, there'll be a link in the description below. And if you like this video, you may like one of these. If you click one of these, we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.